Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X3 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Make sure you have the correct new brake pads and a fresh wear sensor for your specific BMW X3 model. Always park your vehicle on a level, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety before starting any work. Once the car is safely supported, loosen the lug nuts, then lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Next, locate the brake pad wear sensor and carefully disconnect it from the old brake pad. After that, you'll need to remove the two caliper guide pins. With the pins out, you can then easily slide the worn brake pads directly out of the caliper assembly. Now, it's time to install the new pads. Use a caliper compression tool to gently push the caliper piston fully back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new brake pads, making sure they are seated correctly and securely. Finally, reconnect the brake pad wear sensor and reassemble the caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened properly. To finish up, reinstall the wheel, lower your BMW X3, and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Remember to drive cautiously for the first 100 to 200 miles to properly bed in your new brake pads. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.